Hi guys, this is Sadak from Broadband.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to change the image in the settings about phone section of your phone. So this is only valid on those phones that have an image in that section. For example, all the Samsung phones have an image over there, as you could see. Currently, I added my own image. You could add any image of your choice. That's not a cause of any concern. Just make sure that the image should be square and there should not be any background whatsoever. So if that's all well and good, then let's get started. So for the sake of reference, I will now be using a iPhone 16 Pro Max image, which is a square image, near about square, and it does not have any background, as you could see. So let's get started. First off, there are two ways of getting the job done. It's a root approach and the non-root approach. In the root, we have to use a rooted file manager app. In the non-root, we have to use a custom recovery, which does not require root. So first of all, let me show the root method. In this, you have to get hold of the file, the required image file, and rename it to deviceimage.png. It should be a PNG format. As you could see, this is the file, deviceimage.png, and both the D and the I should be caps. Keep this font in mind. It's a PNG file, near about square file, and with no background. Moving on, now you have to root the phone by Magisk kernel SU patch. For now, I obtained root by the Magisk app, as you could see over here. Moving on, install a file manager app that supports root. The Solid might not work as of now, so please use the Mi Explorer from Play Store or XDA. This is the Mi Explorer app. Launch it, and then let's get the job done. First off, go to the root directory. You will get a prompt from Magisk. Tap on grant, and with this, it has got the Magisk request. Now what you have to do is go to the internal storage and open your file, which is this one. This is the new file which I will be implementing in the about phone section. As you could see, it's the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So what you have to do now is copy this file from here. Let's copy it, and now you have to transfer the file inside the data user de 0 com android settings files directory. So let's transfer the file over there. So once you have copied the file, go to root data, scroll down to the user de 0 com android settings. So it should be somewhat here only. This is the folder. Go there, files, and now paste the file over here. It will ask for a prompt that the file is already there. Type on replace with, and the file has now been moved. Let me verify it once. So as you could see, it's our own file, and now you have to change the file permission as well. So long press it, tap on the overflow icon and choose properties. You will get a prompt. Tap on the permission section, and then you have to make the permission RWRR. So let's do that as well. Let's remove the right RWRR. Just a second. As you could see, we now have the permission of RWRR. It should also be the 644. Both are the same thing. Once that is done, tap on the save button. Once you have saved the changes, close the settings menu from the backend. Settings menu is over here. Close it. Now relaunch it. Settings, about phone, and as you could see, we have now got the iPhone 16 Pro Max image over here in the about phone section. So this is how you could make the changes via the root. Now let me show you how to get the job done using a custom recovery like TWRP. So let's get started. First off, let's reboot the phone to the recovery mode using the command of adb reboot recovery. This will take just a few seconds, so let's wait for that to happen. And open a CMD window inside the folder of platform tools. This is the platform tools folder. Just a second, and open a CMD window over here. CMD. Then type in adb reboot recovery. Make sure you have enabled USB debugging beforehand. Once that is done, now transfer the device image PNG file onto your phone as well. So let's first verify if that is the case or not. Give it a few more seconds for the phone to move to the recovery mode, and then you will get the job done. There is no root required in this approach whatsoever, and it should now reboot to the recovery in a few more seconds. So let's wait for that to happen, and then we will carry out the required task as well. So as of now, I already have the file onto my phone. So once you transfer the file onto your phone as well, let's first verify that, and then we will do a file transfer once again to the same directory as before, which is this one. This is the directory. So first and foremost, go to Advanced File Manager, then select the SD card directory from here, SD card, and this is your file as you could see. So tap on copy file. Now go to data, user de 0 com android settings. Just give me a second. This com android settings, this one, files, hit the paste icon, swipe to confirm, and we have now got the file over here. Let me show you. In the data directory, let's go once again to that directory, data, user de 0 com android settings, files, and we have the file. Long press the file, and now select chmod, type in 0644. The 0644 permission correspond to the RWRR only. Swipe to confirm. Once that is done, tap on reboot system. So using the root approach, we get the permission of RWRR, but in the recovery mode, you have to do that using the 0644. Both are one and the same thing. So guys, we are now inside the OS. Let's unlock the phone, access the settings menu, and from there go to about phone, and you could see we now have the iPhone 16 Pro Max image in this phone as well. So I have shown both the process in both my phones. So guys, on that note, we round up this video. If you have any query with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.